Step 3 is creating your DIY tapping formula. On the tapping worksheet, take a look at this step. It's the 3 boxes. One of the biggest complaints that tapping practitioners all over the world hear from people who try tapping is that they don't know what to say when they tap. With this simple formula, created by EFT tapping practitioner Clara Sidlasek, you'll be able to effortlessly create powerful tapping statements. Doing this will really help you get the results you're looking for. The 3 parts of the personal DIY tapping formula are: box 1 is the issue. The first part is the issue you choose to work on. Look at the list you created in step 2 and choose the one that stands out to you or resonates with you right now. Listen to your body. If you're not sure which one, just choose the first one, 2A. Write that down in box 1. If you're new to tapping, it would be best to begin with one of the sub-issues in step 2 that has the lowest intensity rating. Box 2 is where in your body. For the second box, say the issue that you just wrote down in box 1 aloud and do a quick body scan. Do you feel or notice anything in your body as you say it? If you don't know or feel something in your body, that's okay. In that case, try to guess where it is in your body. Here are some ways that people experience their issues: butterflies in the stomach, tightness in the chest, pressure in the solar plexus, tightness in your back, weakness in your legs. It might be a feeling of heat or tension or a sharp pain. Or some people notice that it's just a thought or a sense that you know it's an issue. And you might not notice it in your body, which is okay too. Some people even feel a color or a texture. Be sure to write down whatever it is that you notice in box 2. If you notice it in more than one area of your body, write them all down. If you don't really know or can't feel it, it's okay to leave it blank as well. The third box will help you to get in touch with what might really be going on. The purpose is to get you to tune into your feelings and emotions about the issue that you wrote in box 1. If you're not sure how you feel about it, close your eyes and take a breath and state the issue aloud like you did in box 2 when you found out where you noticed it in your body. How do you feel about this issue? Notice what comes up. Jot down the main emotion first. You can write down more than one emotion if you've got a bundle of them. It may be helpful to rate each emotion separately on a scale of 0 to 10 intensity to notice how they shift and change as you continue through the process, although that isn't a necessary step. Some people like to do that though. In addition, trust the first thing that comes up without judging it. Just write it down, even if it doesn't make sense or if you don't think that you feel that way. For example, you might have a feeling of anger about something, but you don't understand why you feel angry, or you might not want to feel angry, or that you shouldn't feel angry, or maybe like you don't have a right to feel that way. Acknowledging even these uncomfortable feelings and tapping through them will really unlock your issues so that you can fully clear them and experience relief, resolution, and peace around them. Using the example from before, here is what the person might write in their 3 boxes. Step 1, I feel stressed about my student loan debt, and he's rated it an 8. 2A, I think about it all the time, rated at a 7. 2B, it bothers me that I have all this debt, he's rated it an 8. 2C was, I can't buy what I want to buy, he rated that a 6. And 2D, he feels annoyed that it's taking so long to pay, so he rated that intensity an 8. Since he's new to tapping, he chooses to work with 2C because it has the lowest intensity. So here's what he writes in the boxes. Box 1, I can't buy what I want to buy. Box 2, when he tunes into himself, he's got a tightness in his chest and a heavy feeling in his shoulders. And box 3, how he feels about it, embarrassed, angry, and frustrated. And he's rated those with a 6 and a 4 and a 5. So now we're ready to move on to step 4.